Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. Today I'm actually just going to be showing you a smooth strategy, right, to actually pick a minimum of 10 bucks every 60 minutes. That's every 1 hour. Now I actually spent so much studying the algorithm of deriv, right, of the algorithm of synthetic indices. So I spent several hours studying the stuff, and then there are actually some loopholes on these algorithms. Right now there are actually some loopholes. Okay, not clear loopholes, but these are things that actually repeat themselves, right? So I'm actually just going to show you something like that so that you can actually pick 10 bucks every 60 minutes, right? So it made us, it hits 1 hour, you just simply do it. You pick you pick 10 bucks, exactly 10 bucks, exactly 10 bucks. We don't have to be greedy in the market, guys. We just pick 10 bucks, we wait for another hour for same formation, we'll pick another we'll pick another 10 bucks, just like that. I'm going to be showing you how to actually do this particular analysis, and there's something is that you can do it on boom 500, on crash 500, on boom 1000, on crash 1000. You just have to watch this video from beginning to the end, guys. You actually just check this stuff out, make sure you practice and the rest, and after that you can drop your results on the comments there, so others can actually understand it more and also benefit from this stuff. Just remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also hit the like button so more viewers can actually see this particular video. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, so guys, we'll actually just be checking out this stuff, right? So we'll just be using boom 1000 just to explain every single stuff here. So you just simply apply this stuff on on boom 500 or crash 500, on crash 1000 also. So we'll just be checking out exactly how this particular stuff actually works. Remember, you can use this stuff to to catch spikes, or to just scalp. So you can trade both sides using this particular stuff. So you just have to watch this video from beginning to end to actually know exactly how this stuff actually works, right? To actually just know exactly how this stuff actually works. Now this strategy is majorly for those who are using just mobile phones, right? Who are using just mobile phones to trade, right? So you can actually just open your MT5 on your phone and just explain it, and just use that to just trade completely like that, easy, right? So there's actually no difference. So you can do it on your PC if you want easily. You can do it on your phone if you want easily. It's just even much more comfortable if you're actually using your phone on this particular strategy. And this stuff is majorly also for those with little accounts, right? $100 and below and the rest. Of course, if it's above, you can also just make more profit from the market, but it's created majorly for those with like $100, 80, 50 bucks, 20 bucks, even 10 bucks, right? To actually just scalp very fast and they're out of the market just like that. So let's just go straight to business to save time. Now, the first thing you have to do now is that you take your time frame to 15 minutes time frame, right? So you take your time frame to your 15 minutes time frame, so that we are not actually having something like this. So that we are having a formation like this, right? So that we're having a formation like this. Now, with a formation like this, everything is not clearer, right? Everything is not clear. But the first thing you have to do is that you have to check your 4 hours time frame, and check for the trend. Now, what's the trend of this guy? It's so clear that this guy is pushing up. I don't have to draw anything for you to see that. It's so clear that this guy is pushing up, right? It's pushing up. We are looking at just this guy. We're not looking at the whole consolidation process, right? We're looking at just this guy, right? Just this guy. And you can see that this guy is pushing up. Okay, let me try drawing that just to make things easier, and for some guys that might not understand what I'm talking about, just to make things a bit easier, right? Just to make things a bit easier. Okay, just to make things a bit easier. So I'm just going to leave it like this. So I don't have to draw the one at the down. Just we can see that this guy is actually going up. That's just why I'm drawing this stuff. Now you can see that this stuff is on an uptrend, it's pushing up. Cool. Now I know for my 4 hours time frame that what I'm looking for are what I'm looking for are buys, right? I'm looking for buys. If it was going down, let's say at this spot, at this 4 hours time frame, it was going down, I would have just gone for for sales. I would have been looking for sales, but since it's pushing up, I'm looking for buys. Cool. Now I go back to my 15 minutes time frame, just like I told you just now. Now I can check on my 15 minutes time frame. Now guys, look at this particular stuff. This is how this stuff actually works. Now Now, whenever you see what they call it now, whenever you see your pin bar, right? Whenever you see a pin bar, whenever you see what they call it, an evening star, whenever you see a morning star, or whenever you see a bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing, now that is the starting of what they call it. That will be the starting of the signal we're looking for. Now, this is what I mean. Now, in case you don't know how, what they call it, candlestick structures and the rest, you can actually just check that up on Google or the rest, or you can actually just join my VIP. That's also part of the course, right? So you can actually just do that and just check to confirm. But I'm just going to be showing you a bit of some of these guys that are here, and we'll just be checking them out. So let's just look for something recent, because some people, they are like, you don't have to check so much history and the rest and check back, check something that's recent and gradually go back. Let's see the consistency. So let's check that out now. Remember, I told you this is something is just what's on their algorithm that is actually so consistent, and it's always repeating itself. It's always repeating itself. Cool. Now this is it. Now what am I having here? I'm actually having this guy to be my, what I call it, to be my bearish hammer. I can call this guy my bearish hammer, right? Now, in such a way that it's actually looking like this. Now, what do I do? This is a candlestick structure. Now, look, guys, you don't even have to know the names of candlestick structures. I don't know all the names. There's no one that know all the names of candlestick structures. There are a lot of them there. There are several hundreds of candlestick structures. You just can't know all of them. I've not met anyone that know all of them. I know so many pro traders, many of them which you even also know on YouTube. I know so many of them, and yet none of them knows all the candlestick structures. So it's just almost impossible for you to know all the candlestick structures. So what you just have to do is this: whenever you see a particular candlestick that is actually looking like a candlestick structure, because I'm trying to make this stuff as easy as possible, right? So that even though you are a novice, you will still be able to do what I'm actually trying to explain. That's what I'm trying to do. Now, for example, this, I don't know the name. Okay, we know, I said it already, that this guy is supposed to be a bearish hammer, right? But assuming I don't know what this guy is even, I don't know what this guy is. I've never seen it in my life, but it's looking so much like a candlestick structure. It doesn't look like other candlesticks that are this. So what do? I'm like, okay, cool, this is a candlestick structure. Now I leave it. And then remember I said every 60 minutes. Now, how many 15 minutes will make up 60 minutes? That's how many 15 minutes will make up 1 hour. That will actually be 4, right? That will be 4. So I just have to count 4 15 candlesticks, and that will give me 1 hour, right? Cool. So I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now I've counted 4 15 candlesticks, and then now I'm at this fourth. Now, what's at this fourth? This fourth is actually what I call it, is actually a bearish, right? It's actually a bearish candlestick, smooth. Then I simply go in. And place my stop loss just like 2 candlesticks above it. I'm cool. Just like 2 candlesticks above it, or even 1 candlesticks. Myself, I use 1 candlesticks all the time when I'm using this stuff. But then you can just use 2 candlesticks if you are scared. If you are scared the opposite, you don't want to risk so much, you just use only 1 candlestick. This 15 minutes time frame. Then you take your sell. Why? Because the last was a bearish, meaning it's going down. I simply take sales. I can open a if I'm using, let's say, like $100, I can open using, let's say like a 0.2. I can open like three trades there or so. I can open up to like 3 trades. Immediately as all of them combined hits like $10, I'm out. Now you can use any lot size. But it's just preferable when you use a normal lot size. You always have to use risk management, guys. You just always have to use risk management. So if you're using, let's say, like $100, you can open like 3-4 trades on 0.2 or 0.3. Immediately as all of them combined hits $10, you are out of the market. You relax again and wait for another candlestick structure. Now, when you check this particular guy, if I should check this guy, of course, this guy is not really anything, so we just leave it. This guy is actually a bullish engulfing. Sorry, this guy is actually a bullish engulfing that is here. So what do I do here? I go in again. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. What's this fourth guy? Is actually bearish. So what do I take now? Actually take sales. Now, remember, guys, this stuff is on an uptrend. So I won't take all the sales, right? Even though all the sales, they're actually going nicely. I just remember that we checked on our 4 hours time frame just now. I just remembered we checked on our 4 hours time frame and this guy is going up. So what I was saying, taking sales, you don't have to take sales there. I'm actually just using that to explain in case it's on a downtrend, right? In case it's on a downtrend, but currently it's on an uptrend. So I'm not taking anything. I'm not taking anything sales on that place, right? I will just chill. Now I wait again. Now this particular stuff is actually what I claim. This particular stuff is actually bullish hammer, even though it later pushed down. But so what do? I count again from there. Now this is a bullish hammer. This is a candlestick structure. Assuming I am seeing this guy first, right? Now remember, I'm not taking this sell because this stuff is on an uptrend. So what I'm looking for now, I'm just waiting for this guy to give something else, right? Now I found that he gave this stuff, so I count now from this guy, assuming this guy got formed and this guy is here. Now I just made these two candlesticks alone, these two alone. Let me try drawing that. I made just these two candlesticks alone. All these were not formed. They weren't existing. This one was still forming, right? This one was still forming. But this guy had given me a candlestick structure that is here, right? This guy had given me a candlestick structure. Good. I just simply wait. There's nothing difficult there. I wait. This is the first. Cool. Now the second one gets formed. This is the second. Cool. I wait for the third one to get formed. This is the third one, also bearish. Cool. Now what's the fourth one? The fourth one got formed. Good. Now immediately as the fourth one closed, I check. Now what is it ending at? It's ending as a bullish. Perfect. I simply go in on buys. I simply go in on buys. And remember, I told you about your stop loss. You place your stop loss just below the fourth, right? Cool. Or you can use, there are no two candlesticks here that you can use to place your stop loss. So just use only this one. You place your stop loss just below it here. Cool. You take your trade. Now, boom, you saw it spiked and spiked crazily and kept spiking up. Now, this particular stuff is actually an algorithm. I don't think this broker has discovered this stuff yet. But so people don't think I just show two things. I'm actually going to show you even more examples, right? Remember, you can do this stuff on your phone, also on your PC, anywhere that you can have your chart on your TV set, any place at all. You can actually do this stuff. Yeah, I'm actually having a nice pin bar, right? I'm actually having a bearish pin bar here. Now, cool. This is actually a structure. Assuming I came and what I was seeing was this guy. I'm trying to explain this stuff as what I can, as simple as possible so we can actually know what I'm talking about. Now, what I'm actually seeing now was actually this guy. Okay, I'm coming just a second. I'm trying to make everything clear. Cool. Now, what I was actually seeing was just this guy, right? Now, this guy, right? And this guy got formed. Cool. Now all these, they weren't existing, of course. These weren't here. They were still, this place was still blank. So I'm seeing these two guys. Now I wait for this one to form. Cool. One. The other one formed. Two. Smooth. The other one formed. Three. Cool. The other one formed. Four. Right. Cool. No. Okay. Let me take that back. I want it to be exactly at the fourth. I want it to be exactly at the fourth. Okay, that's a bit difficult now. I don't know why it's pulling off, but okay, you understand what I'm talking about. This is actually the fourth to save time. Now this candle actually got formed. Cool. Now this was the next guy. One, two, three, four. Now the fourth guy is what? It's actually bearish. Cool. I just simply take sales again. I just simply take sales, and then I pick my $10 and I'm out. There's actually nothing difficult here, guys. This is actually a nice morning star telling me it's going to push up, right? So this is actually a candle. Imagine I don't even know the name. Let's say I don't know the name of this candle, but it's looking like a candlestick structure. Now, what do? I just simply relax. I wait for this guy to what I can start forming. He formed the first one, the second one, two, the other one, three, the other one, four. Now, what do? I simply take on my sales now. I come to this place and put my stop loss just above here. I come to this place and put my stop loss just above this one candlestick, right? Cool. And I took my sales. Now, what do you notice? It hit my stop loss. Exactly. What I'm actually trying to show you is that this stuff is not like it's 100. Remember, we've checked up to about 4-5 examples already, and this was the first. It actually hit our stop loss, telling you that it can also hit your stop loss, guys. It's possible to hit your stop loss. The main thing here is that we actually checked up to about 4-5 examples. I don't remember how many examples we checked, but then it actually hit a stop loss once at this place, meaning that you can put your stop loss just one above this guy. Of course, there was even only only one candlestick to have placed your stop loss here. So you place your stop loss above this guy. It came, it hit, you simply leave, you wait again for another formation, and that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So we're able to actually check out this particular stuff and what they're calling it, and actually just check the algorithm of this particular stuff. So you can actually just take these trades directly from your phone or from your PC or from any device at all. Immediately as it hits your 10 bucks, you're out. It hits your 10 bucks, you're out. It hits your 10 bucks, you're out. Of course, there are times it will also hit your stop loss. This is trading. There are times it will also hit your stop loss. But what we're actually looking at here, what we're actually looking at here is a crazy accuracy. We're just looking for crazy accuracy. So that's actually what we are looking for here, guys. So just remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also share this video also share this video with all your friends, everyone around, and just remember to hit the like button so that more viewers can actually see this particular video and also benefit from it, guys. So that's just how it goes. Remember to check out my playlist of free robots and free indicators to actually mine for the market crazily, just like that, guys. The link to my website is just down below. The link to my Telegram channel is also just down below. That's just how it goes, guys. It's a bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P, guys. Peace.